Today, your angels have a powerful message that will touch your heart deeply. Sometimes, true love does not arise without challenges. There is a person in your life who is facing an intense internal battle. This person feels something very strong for you, something they have never felt for anyone before, but at the same time, they are fighting with all their might to suppress these feelings. Maybe out of fear, perhaps due to past experiences, or issues that this person themselves still do not understand. But here is the truth that your angels want you to know: your destiny together is already sealed. No matter how much this person tries to fight against what they feel, the universe is working to unite you two anyway. The love that this person feels for you is so deep and true that, even while resisting, they cannot escape this connection. This internal struggle is a sign that this person is deeply impacted by you, and this is something that cannot be ignored. Have you already noticed the signs? The way this person looks at you when they think you are not seeing, the moments of silence in which they seem to be lost in thought. These are indications that something inside them is changing. This person may be resisting, but their heart has already started to open doors that they never imagined would open again. However, your angels want you to know that this journey will not be easy. This person will need to face their internal demons, overcome their fears, and accept that they deserve to be loved and to be happy. And you, in turn, will need patience and strength to support them, even when they seem distant or confused. This is the moment to show, through your actions and your constant presence, that you are by their side, no matter what happens. Your destinies are intertwined in a way that no force can separate. But for this love to come to fruition, it takes time. Time for this person to heal, to overcome their doubts, and for you two to build a relationship based on trust, understanding, and unconditional love. This is not a common love, it is a destined love, blessed by angels and guided by the universe. The journey may seem long and uncertain, but the angels assure that the end will be grand. Every obstacle, every doubt, and every moment of uncertainty is preparing you for something much greater. And when this person finally surrenders to what they feel, the love between you two will be stronger than anything you've experienced before. While this person continues to struggle with their own feelings, you may notice that they begin to send mixed signals. There are moments when they get close, allowing you to see a more vulnerable and sensitive side, only to then distance themselves again, as if trying to protect themselves. This behavior can be confusing and even painful for you, but it's important to understand that this is part of their process of healing and accepting love. The angels want you to know that these comings and goings do not mean that this person does not care or that they are indecisive about you. In fact, it's the opposite. This person feels something so deep and transformative that it scares them. The intensity of what they feel leaves them disoriented, and they are trying to find a way to deal with it. The resistance they show is actually a reflection of the impact you have on their life. It is at this moment that your patience and understanding will be essential. Showing that you are there, even in moments of doubt, reinforces the idea that this person can trust you and that you are a constant and safe presence in their life. They need to know that, regardless of difficulties, you will not give up on them. But, at the same time, the angels remind you that it is important to take care of yourself. Do not lose yourself in the attempt to save or heal someone. Maintain your own activities, seek joy in other areas of your life, and continue to grow as an individual. This will not only be beneficial for you, but will also show that you are strong and independent, which will attract even more. This process of self-discovery and growth is a crucial part of what you both are building together. This person needs to feel that, when they are ready to fully commit, you'll be by their side as a strong and secure partner, someone who not only loves them but who also loves and values themselves. And remember, destiny is on your side. No matter how difficult it may seem now, the universe is conspiring to unite you, guiding every step, even those that seem to deviate from the path. Have faith in this process, and know that when the right time comes, the love you share will be unshakable and truly blessed. As this journey continues, you may notice that this person begins to open up more, allowing you to see parts of their life and thoughts that were previously kept secret. These small moments of vulnerability are precious and should be received with care and patience. They are clear signs that this person is starting to trust you more and accept the idea that they deserve to be happy by your side. However, this openness does not mean that all challenges have been overcome. This person still carries deep fears, scars from past relationships, and a constant internal battle between the desire to love and the fear of getting hurt again. Your angels ask that you continue to be the calm and secure presence they need to face these challenges. These moments of closeness are valuable opportunities for you to show, not just with words but with actions, that you are committed to her. Simple gestures of support, like listening without judging, being present during difficult times, and offering words of encouragement, will make all the difference. This person needs to feel that even in her darkest moments, you will be there, ready to hold her hand and help her see the light. But at the same time, the angels remind you that it is vital not to lose sight of your own dreams and needs. While you support her, it is also important to seek things that nourish your own soul. This can be as simple as dedicating time to a hobby you love, spending time with friends or family, or simply reserving moments for self-care. Maintaining this balance between supporting this person and taking care of yourself is what will allow this relationship to flourish in a healthy and lasting way. She needs to see that you are a complete person, with a rich and meaningful life, and that being with you is a privilege she does not want to lose. As this person continues her internal journey, be assured that your angels are by your side, guiding every step you take. They know this path can be difficult, but they guarantee that the reward will be immensely gratifying. Every challenge you overcome together further strengthens the bond between you, laying the groundwork for a love that is truly unbreakable. Trust the process. The universe is weaving something beautiful for both of you, and when the right time comes, you will see that every step, every effort, every moment of doubt was worth it. As time passes, you will begin to notice that this person's internal battle starts to make way for a gradual acceptance. They are beginning to understand that the love they feel for you is real, that it is safe to allow themselves to feel it, and most importantly, that they deserve to be happy. However, this process of acceptance does not happen overnight. There will still be moments of doubt and hesitation, and it is in those moments that your support will be more crucial than ever. You might observe that, occasionally, this person distances themselves again, as if needing time to process everything they are feeling. This doesn't mean they don't care. In fact, it means they are taking it very seriously. This person wants to ensure that when they give themselves to this love, it will be wholeheartedly, without reservations. The angels suggest that in these moments, you continue to show patience and understanding. Give this person the necessary space to reflect, but at the same time, make sure they know you are there, ready to support them when they are ready to come closer again. This combination of patience and constant presence will be fundamental in helping them overcome their last emotional barriers. During this time, it's important that you also remain firm in your own journey. Use these moments to continue investing in yourself, in your own dreams, and in your well-being. Remember that the love you offer this person should be equal to the love you offer yourself. This balance is crucial to ensure that, when you finally come together fully, the relationship is healthy and based on mutual respect. At this point, you will have noticed that the small victories are the most significant. Each time this person allows themselves to open up more, each time they share a little more of themselves, these are important steps toward a complete and fearless love. And these steps, no matter how small they may seem, are actually gigantic, considering everything that had to be overcome to get here. Your angels want you to know that they are carefully and lovingly weaving this story. They are preparing this person's heart, helping them heal the wounds that prevented them from loving fully. And they are also preparing you, strengthening your patience, your love, and your faith, so that when the right moment comes, you both can embark on this new phase together, without looking back. Your love is strong and destined. Every challenge you have faced so far has only served to strengthen this bond. Now, as this person gets closer and closer to the complete acceptance of their feelings, you will start to see the true potential of this love unfold before your eyes. And when that happens, it will be as if all the pieces of the puzzle finally fit together, revealing the beautiful picture that the universe has always had planned for you. As this journey of healing and acceptance comes closer to its conclusion, you'll begin to notice a deeper transformation in this person. The barriers they had erected around their heart will begin to crumble, and the person you always knew was there, loving, vulnerable, and ready to love, will begin to emerge. This is the moment your angels have been preparing you to receive. All the patience, understanding, and support you have offered along this journey are about to be rewarded. Finally, this person will begin to express their feelings more openly, demonstrating with actions and words how much you mean to them. This will be the turning point, where you will clearly see that the love you both share is true and powerful. The angels want you to allow yourself to feel the joy and gratitude that come with this moment. You have worked hard to get here, both in your own personal growth and in supporting this person. Now it is time to reap the rewards of that effort, to enjoy the intimacy and connection you have built together. However, They also remind you that although this is a new beginning, the work does not end here. Healthy relationships require ongoing care, and love, no matter how strong, needs to be nurtured. Continue to communicate openly and honestly, maintain the balance between your own needs and those of this person, and remember that your journey is a partnership. The destiny that united you is not something that can easily be shaken. You have gone through many challenges together, and each one of them has served to strengthen the bond you now share. The angels want you to trust in the love you have built and believe that it is strong enough to overcome any future obstacles. As you enter this new phase, know that the future is full of promises. The uncertainties and fears that once lingered over you now give way to a sense of security and the knowledge that you belong to each other. You have a solid foundation upon which you can build a future together, a future where both of you can grow and flourish, side by side. Finally, your angels ask that you never forget the power of love. This love, which started as a spark, has withstood time and difficulties, proving to be stronger than any fear or doubt. The two of you were destined to meet, love each other, and grow together, and now is the moment to embrace this destiny with everything you have. If you feel that this message has resonated deeply in your heart, know that it is because your angels want you to feel at peace and confident on the path you are treading. Write in the comments, "I trust in the power of true love," to claim this blessing and show the universe that you are ready to receive all that it has to offer. Let these words resonate within you and feel the truth in them. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, "I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me." Claim this message and the blessings contained within it. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. Let's elevate each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.